Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Paribus.
And this is financial advice. Always do your own research, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
So as you can see, you can buy it on Qcoin, and it's also just recently, like literally like 5 days ago, 6 days ago, it's been listed on Gate.io as well. And as you can see, the volume for that is actually 11%. So if we actually go look on Twitter, lots of stuff going on with Paribus right now. So as you can see, as I just mentioned, it's been this week is what's happened. So it's been listed on Gate.io and Paribus development update, and there's also been a audit on Paribus, so we now know it's safe. But we really did it anyway before because it's obviously with Cardano. But as we see next week, they've got a town hall incoming, another partnership announcement, which could be good, and then we've got a staking update, which is very heavily been waiting on, which is going to be great. And as we see here, decentralized apps are coming to Cardano. And with all the excitement of a fast-growing DeFi space, it's never been more important to do your own research and look into other members of the Cardano community, such as PBX. Once Cardano has finished with their smart contracts, PBX is not financial advice. It's gonna seriously blow up with what they're doing because it's basically the equivalent of Aave, but on the Cardano blockchain. And look what Aave has done. As you can see, this is Aave. It's $2.2 billion, and right now, as you can see, we are $20 million market cap. So if it could even do a quarter of what Aave's done, then we've got very good things coming. And in my opinion, it's a little bit better than Aave. But onto the video.
So as you guys can see on the daily, we have been in a massive downtrend, and it's not really been looking very good. Every spike has been an opportunity for a lot of people to be selling, but for every long-term individual, any downward close candle would be another opportunity to be going long. And I do think, this cryptocurrency has got a lot of potential, and because we've had a nice retracement from all-time highs, which was around, I think, 0.42, if I'm not mistaken, 0.042, and now we are currently at around 0.01, which is pretty crazy to see a massive drop just like that. And anyone that bought all-time highs is very annoyed. And this chart looks similar to like the Orn chart, not Coty, but Orn chart definitely for sure. And a lot of people did get annoyed about what's been happening with Orn and a lot of other cryptocurrencies. But PBX, I do see it, eventually catching up and starting to move higher, and potentially start to make newer higher highs and higher lows, because right now it's just making lower lows and lower highs. As you can see on the hourly time frame, okay, as you can see, we are in a massive consolidation, and this doesn't really look bullish at all, as when we are in a consolidation, we don't tend to see, a lot of a determined bias for long term. We just see price moving sideways, taking out old highs and taking out old lows. Nothing really much is happening. But one thing I can say is that PBX Paribus has got a long-term future for this cryptocurrency, and I do think it has got a great roadmap and has got great potential. And the hourly time frame doesn't really hold a lot of justice for what the cryptocurrency actually is and what it is planning to do. So if you're a long-term cryptocurrency holder, short-term price action shouldn't really be affecting you as much. And I do think that if you are a long-term cryptocurrency holder and you keep on buying a dip, I do think that this cryptocurrency, not financial advice, has got the potential to do a nice 10x in the future, at least.
So that is it. It was just a quick update video from our last video, as you can see here, as it did quite well. So just thought we'd do another video on what's going on right now with it. But yeah, if you've enjoyed it, please make sure you press that like button, and also please press that red subscribe button. It really does help us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.